Hello, I'd like to show you a new feature that we just launched on Affilizz. It's now possible in one click to identify publications that have lost their offers. For example, a buying guides where one or more products are no more longer available for sale. To use it, go on the affiliate contents and the list of publication. On the right side of the tag filter, you see a new option called without price only. When you enable this function, you switch from the full list of publication to a list that only includes publication where at least one widget has no more offers. You see 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, and so on. A very common workflow from media is the following. First, select a period of time. By default is the current month, but you can choose 1 year and so on. Then activate this new option and sort by generate commissions, this column. So you will work on the more profitable publication then. Then there are two scenarios. In this first example, this product has no more offers, but in fact it is not sold anymore. No one is producing and the media has to replace the product inside the article because you can't find more offers for this one. But on another example, this one, it's a beauty one, you will find the product, it's a calendar, this one, and if you click on modify, you can find some other calendars available. It's just another version of this calendar, just like for an iPhone, for example, you could add the yellow one to a black version and so on. And you see the price appears immediately. It's live in the widget, it's live in the carousel if there is one, and more important, it's live on the website of the client. It's just finished. I hope you enjoyed it. We will improve this function later. So for example, you will find more easily the widgets that are lost or their offers and so on. Have a good day.